is court under the current version says that the agency ought to direct the PNP Region 11 to immediately cease and desist from any act or omission that threatens the life, liberty, or security as well as the properties of the petitioner. The PNP is hereby ordered to remove all forms of barricades, barriers, or blockades that bar the access to and from the subject compound and hinder the petitioner's religious, academic, and proprietary rights and the pursuit thereof by the officers and members within the surroundings of the premises.
Klaro po, walang duration. So, dapat po ang mga pulis, salamat po sa inyo, pwede na po kayong umalis. Nakausap ko na po si General Torre, sinabihan ko siya na may order na, sinabihan ko siya, sir, pwede na po kayong umalis. Saan po ba kayo? Nandun daw siya sa regional office. So, pinapunta niya ako doon, kasama yung sheriff. So, puntahan po namin siya doon para ma-serve po ito formally.